Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you want to be able to make delicious coffees at home with vanilla flavoring, you've got to check this one out.
This gourmet vanilla syrup is good for so many different things, but my favorite way to use it is to make fun coffee because vanilla coffee is my favorite. Sometimes I'll even use a capful right when I'm brewing the coffee, and I find that that is super effective. Actually, I use a cap a lot of times to measure it out because I don't like my coffee to be too sweet, and this is kind of like a special occasion coffee for me, and I find that a little goes a long way. But that's why I love making these coffees at home because I get to control how much sweetness there is. I've tried different flavors of this coffee syrup. The amaretto is amazing too, but I just love this classic vanilla. It makes such a delicious vanilla flavored coffee. It really delivers on that pure vanilla flavor. And I'm just obsessed with how simple the ingredients are in this syrup. And check out that beautiful vanilla color. It is so awesome.
I think this syrup is so yummy and it's so fun to be able to make vanilla flavored coffees right at home and feel like you've got your own coffee shop. But that's just my point of view.